So today we have a unboxing video on awesome packaging. I'm always learning more, and this particular package of cutting is my favorite. He uses Perlite. That's just my baby. He uses Perlite. It keeps the cutting from molding, and it contains air as well as little moisture, but it's not like a wet paper towel where, you know, Brawny's, you know, I gotta really squeeze it out. And, you know, if, let's say this year the USPS had a delay for 3 weeks, and it could still be moldy by the time it gets here. But if we use Perlite instead, it wouldn't have mold, and it still would keep the cuttings quite fresh. So I think it is a great way to packet cuttings. Very unique and very helpful, because these Perlite, as he recommended, he said he has 100% success with mixing Perlite with sphagnum moss for rooting media, and it's quite successful. So I can reuse these Perlite and attempt to root my cuttings that method as well. So I really think these cuttings are great size. You can see their wet paint names on there. I haven't had time to go through it yet. Sorry, that's my little baby. But you can see these are pencil size thickness or larger, and they are at least 3 nods. Excellent cuttings. I'm always learning from receiving awesome packages, and that's how I hope to achieve when I send out cuttings to trade or sell some. You know, we always try to do better. I guess I'm a little particular, but I'm always trying to get feedback so I can do better, you know. This is my 3rd year in growing figs, but it's my 2nd year trading, and I learned quite a bit by trading with other people. As a trader, it's quite a different experience than buying and selling and just receiving from other sellers. So I would say doing trades is a very good way to experience how to pack it better or make better cuttings in that sense, you know. So I just wanted to make a quick video about something interesting. I love to unbox these cuttings, and I love trading with this particular person, and as well as many others. But this is this year as well as last year's. I would sorry, my baby. I would award this person. I would award this person as best packaging for the year.